Hello, good evening fellow teachers, parents, tutors, viewers. Narito na naman po ako, si Mrs. ESClaveria para magbigay sa inyo ng munting kaalaman na aking inimbento, ang ESClaveria's techniques. Sa ngayong gabi ay isi-share ko sa inyo kung paano ang paghanap ng greatest common factor and how to reduce fraction to lowest terms. So, gagamit tayo ng techniques, ESClaveria's techniques, para hindi mahirapan yung mga bata kahit hindi nila memorize ang multiplication tables. Hindi niya alam ang division facts, hindi niya alam ang addition, ang subtraction. Ang gagamitin lang natin ay techniques, ESClaveria's techniques. Ibig sabihin, kaya ako nakarating sa fraction dahil marunong na sila ng ESClaveria's techniques in addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Kaya nakarating na tayo sa fraction. Although na hindi pa ako nagturo ng long division. Ngayon, lulukso ako papuntang fraction. How to reduce fractions into lowest terms. So, ito ay ulitin ko, ito ay para sa mga batang hindi sa ulado ang multiplication tables, ang addition, subtraction, and division facts. Don't expect na memorize na nila. Kaya ito inimbento ko para doon sa mga batang hindi memorized ang multiplication tables. These techniques are intended for pupils who cannot memorize the basic facts, especially the multiplication tables. Now, we will come to fraction. How to reduce fraction into its lowest terms. Lapit natin. Right. We will start from 6/8. 6/8. Now, the pupil does not know the factors of 6 and 8. So, anong gagawin ng bata? Hindi naman niya alam kung ano ang 6, kung anong factors, kung anong bumubuo sa 6. So, ang gagawin natin, subtract 6 from 8. Subtract 6 from 8. Subtract the numerator from the denominator. Like this. 8 minus 6. Now, in subtraction, this is upward technique. So, pataas ang pagbilang ito. 8, 9, 0, 1, 2. This is now the lowest. This is now the common factor. 2 is the common factor. Now, so, how will you divide? How can the pupil divide the numerator and denominator by 2? So, just make dots. Below 10, dividend below 10 must use dots or fingers. Say for example, we have 2, 4, 6. There are 3 dots. Therefore, the answer is 3. Then come to numerator. 2, 4, 6, 8. There are 4. So, the answer is 3/4. Tingnan natin. Gawin natin red para klarado. 3/4. So, the answer is 3/4. 6/8. The lowest term is 3/4. we have 4 over 10. 4 over 10. Right, subtract 4 from 10. 10 minus 4. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Then, subtract 4 from 6. 6 minus 4. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Therefore, then, the common factor is 2. We have 2. Right. Make a dot. Make dots. 2, 4. There are 2 dots. So the answer is 2. 2. Then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There are 5. The answer is 2/5. The lowest term is 2/5. 4 over 10 equals 2/5. Twelve over 16. 12 over 16. Now, the pupils do not know the factors of 12 and 16. Therefore, you have to subtract 12 from 16. Minus 12. Right. 6, 5, 4. The common factor is 4. Alright. We will divide 12 by 4 and 16 divided by 4. How do you divide? By 4? Count 1, 1, 2, 3. The answer is 3. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is 4. Therefore, the lowest term for 12 over 16 is 3/4. 12 over 16 equals 3/4. This is now the lowest term. Very easy. Right, we have 20 over 35. 20 over 35. Right. How do you get the common factor? Subtract numerator from denominator. 35 minus 20. So we have 5 minus 0 is 5. And then 3 minus 2 is 1. Then subtract 15 from 20. 10 minus 5 is 5. This one is 1. The lowest term, the common factor is 5. Now, we know that when you divide the dividend by 5, you will just double the tens. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Then we have 3 plus 3, 6, plus 1, 7. So, the lowest term is 4/7. 20 over 35 equals 4/7. Another, we have 25 over 35. 25 over 30, ano ba yun? 25 over 35. Okay, 25 over 35. Subtract 25 from 35. 35 minus 25. 5 minus 5, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. Now, this is 10. Divide this by 2. I-divide sa 2. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Paano ang pag-ano nito sa ESClaveria technique? We have 4, then 5. This one is 5. So, we have 5. The common factor is 5. Now, we know that when the dividend is 5, you just double the tens. And then, these ones will become 1. Round off to 1. And this will become 5 will become 1. 5 become 1. So, 2 plus 2 equals 4. Plus 1 equals 5. Then, 3 plus 3 equals 6. Plus 1 equals 7. Therefore, the answer is, the lowest term is 5/7. 25 over 35 equals 5/7. So, very easy when it is a table of 5. Next, we have 48 over 54. 48 over 54. Subtract 48 from 54. This will become 14. This one will become 4. Then, count upward. 4, 5, 6. The common factor is 6. We have 6. Right. How do you divide 48 divided by 6 and 54 divided by 6? We know that the equivalent count of 6 is 4. 1, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And when the dividend is 48 up, you can divide it by its equivalent count. Now, we will divide now. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 8. Alright. We divide naman again this one. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. The answer is 8, 9. 48 over 54 equals 8, 9. The lowest term is 8, 9. We have another one. 49 over 63. 49 over 63. Subtract 49 from 63 to get the common factor. Right, this one will become 13, this one will become 5. Right, upward, 3, 4. 5 minus 4, 1, 14. Divide 14 by 2. Right, 4 plus 4, 2 plus 2 equals 4, 5, 6, 7. The common factor is 7. we have, this one is 48 up above can be divided into by its equivalent count. 4, 5, 6, 7. The equivalent count of 7 is 3. Again, read the dividend, the tens. 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we have 6, 7, 8, 9. So, the lowest term is 7/9. 49 over 63, the lowest term is 7/9. We come to 56 over 63. 56 over 63. (63) minus 56. This will become 13. This will become 5. Alright, upward counting. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, the lowest term is 7. I know, not the lowest term. The common factor is 7. Now, divide by its equivalent count. 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 8. Then we have 6, 7, 8, 9. The answer is 8, 9. That is the lowest term. For 56 over 63, the lowest term is 8, 9. We have 32 over 40. 32 over 40. Subtract 32 from 40. 10, 9, 8. Okay. The lowest term is, the common factor is 8. Now, we know that 8, when it is lower than 48, 32 is lower than 48, 40, below 48, 8 becomes 1. One count only. 8 has only one count when it reduces to 47 down. So, count upward. 3, 4. And we have 4, 5. Therefore, the equivalent count, I know the lowest term is 4/5. The lowest term is 4/5. 32 over 40, the lowest term is 4/5. Another one, another example. We have 48 over 56. 48 over 56. Subtract the numerator from the denominator. 56 minus 48. This one is 16 and this one is 4. So, upward counting 6, 7, 8. The common factor is 8. Right. Divide 48 by 8 and 56 by 8. 4, 5. No. 4. This one is more than 48. 4, 5, 6. 6. Then 5, 6, 7. Ulitin ko. Repeat. Since this is more than 48, 48 and 56, therefore the equivalent count of 8 is 2, 4, 5, 6. Here is now the answer, 6. And we have 5, 6, 7. The answer is 7. Therefore, the lowest term for 48 over 56 is 6/7. 6/7. We come to 16 over 24. 16 over 24. Subtract 16 from 24. 24 minus 16. Right. This one is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore, the common factor is 8. Right. Since this is below 48, so we will have only one count. 1, 2. Then 2, 3. I repeat, if the dividend of table of 8 is below 48, the number 8 will have only one count. Like 9, 1, 2. This is now the answer. Then 2, 3. This one is the answer. Therefore, the answer is, the lowest term is 2/3. 2/3. 16 over 24 equals 2/3. Another, we have 24 over 32. 24 over 32. Right, subtract 24. To get the common factor, subtract that 24 from 32. This one is 12 and this one is 2. Alright, downward counting. 2, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Therefore, the common factor is 8. The common factor is 8. Alright. The equivalent count now of 8 is 1 because it is below 48. The dividend is below 48. Therefore, the equivalent count of 8 reduces to 1. 2, 3. And we have 3, 4. Right. The answer is 3/4. 24 over 32. The lowest term is 3/4. Another example, we have 72 over 81. 72 over 81. Now, this time, when you see the two digits, has a sum of 9, and then the the denominator also, when you add these two digits, becomes 9. Therefore, the common factor is 9. No need to subtract. When you see that the sum of these two digits is 9, no need to subtract. Both the numerator and the denominator has a sum of 9. Therefore, the common factor is 9. Now, divide. We know that the equivalent count of 9 is 1. Count upward. One step upward. 7, 8. Then 8, 9. I will repeat. 7, 8. Answer is 8. Then 8, 9. The answer is 9. Therefore, 72 over 81 equals 8/9. The lowest term is 8/9. (27 over 36). Right. With 7, 8, 9. This one is 9. And then 6, 7, 8, 9. They are both 9. Huh? They have sums of 9. Therefore, their their common factor is 9. Right. The equivalent count of 9 is 1. Read the tens and then count upward. 2, 3. Then 3, 4. The answer is, we have 3/4. The answer is 3/4. 27 over 36 equals 3/4. The lowest term is 3/4. Another example, we have last example, 45 over 63. 45 over 63. Okay. Now, add 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. When both the numerator and the denominator have the same sum, and that sum is 9, you don't need to subtract. You don't need to subtract. Now, you are now ready. You can divide. You can divide this already. We have 4, 5. 4, 5. Then 6, 7. 6, 7. The answer is 5, 7. Dito nagtatapos ang aking paliwanag sa fraction, changing fraction to lowest term. So, very easy when you know already, when the children know already the basic facts like the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The child can easily answer the problem, even if it is very hard. It seems very hard because they do not know they cannot memorize the basic facts. But when they apply the ESClaveria technique, they will be able to get the answer. So, the teachers should also know these techniques, para matulungan nila ang mga bata. Huwag pababayaan na maging non-numerate sila, non-readers na, non-numerates pa, kawawa naman. Walang magandang kinabukasan ang bata kung hindi na marunong magbasa, hindi pa rin marunong sa mathematics. So, hanggang dito na lamang ang aking video. Please subscribe, please like, share, and then click that notification bell para ma-notify kayo kung mayroon pa akong bagong video. Ang mga techniques dito ay hindi itinuturo sa paaralan. Pero ngayon, pwede rin ninyo i-gamitin. Okay? Lahat ito ay inimbento ko para makatulong ako sa inyo at sa mga bata. Please subscribe, please like, please share, and then click that notification bell. Thank you very much para doon sa mga nag-subscribe sa akin. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you very much. Sa susunod ay ituturo ko naman ang long division. Kasi itinuro ko na ang long multiplication, ngayon naman ay long division naman kung paano yung process. Pag marunong sila ng process, madali na. Okay? Good night. Thank you very much for watching.